This week we're waiting on some elastic to arrive so we could actually start sewing some shirt stays. That's gonna arrive later in the week. So in the meantime, we've just been doing some quality control on some of our shirt stays that are gonna ship today. So as I mentioned before in some of the videos, we do quality control. We check every shirt stay, we cut any excessive thread, and then we get it ready to be packaged and out the door for you. So during this video today also, once we're done with the quality control process, I am actually gonna do a demonstration just so you can see exactly how they're gonna be able to keep your shirt tucked. And I'm gonna show you the different styles that we carry. Like that, you could select the option that is best for you. Now, you've seen the quality control part, right? We did that previously. So now we're at the point where we are ready to pack our shirt stays and get ready to ship them out. So like I mentioned before, what we want to do here, this is going to be the last line of defense for us. So again, we want to make sure that we don't have any loose thread, that everything's properly assembled and aligns correctly, that everything's the right size. Now, we're gonna go ahead and pack these. These particular shirt stays are shipping into Amazon later today. So we'll pretty much package them and getting ready to ship out the door. And that completes the process from sewing to quality control to then packing. So we have 205 black Y style shirt stays going out today. So we just boxed up these 200 sets and now they're gonna be ready to ship. So we got the labels printed for the boxes that are ready to ship. We also got an online order for a tuck belt and a super belt. Now, I love to insert one of my thank you cards and write thank you because we appreciate every single customer. These are some of the small things that we do, again, just to show our appreciation for supporting a small family-owned business. So I have a dress shirt on and I'm gonna demonstrate to you, one, how easy it is to place our shirt stays onto your shirt while you have it on. And then I'm gonna demonstrate to you how firmly tucked my shirt remains once I put on the shirt stays. So I have the Shirt Stay Plus Ys here. This is what I'm gonna be demonstrating and I'm gonna show you exactly how easy they are. So you take one clip and put it towards the back of your shirt. Then you take another clip and attach it towards the front of the shirt. You're gonna have the seam here in the center. That's exactly where you want them to hold, okay? So it's gonna look, you're gonna see the Y shape. They're gonna sit on the side of your leg. You do the same to the other side. So again, find the seam, one towards the back, the other seam, one towards the front. So now you're gonna have both straps hanging on the side. From this point, you're gonna wanna attach them to your socks. So you're gonna take one strap, you're just gonna bend down and attach them to your sock. That's the right side. You should feel the tug. And it shouldn't be overly tight, but you should have enough tension to keep your shirt down. And now you wanna do the same thing to the other side. So again, I have both sides now fully attached, and you can see the tension once my arm goes up. That's exactly the feel that you want. You don't want it to strangle you. You don't want to restrict your movement. They should be comfortable. So the biggest thing is going to be the adjustment on the shirt stays. Each strap has an adjustment, and you want to adjust it depending on the length of your shirt tail, also the length of your socks. Now with the Shirt Stay Plus Ys, you got to wear them with socks. And then I'm going to demonstrate to you a little bit later what the stirrups do, because it doesn't matter the length of socks that you have. So now after adjusting my shirt stays, you will put on your pants, tuck your shirt in, adjust your belt, and it should look like this. So you see how tight the shirt stays keep the shirt in. That's exactly the feel that you want. You want to be able to raise your arms, move around, and your shirt remains tucked. So these are what the Shirt Stay Plus Ys are gonna do for you. These are one of our best sellers, and I highly recommend them. Very easy to put on, very easy to take off. Now we're gonna talk about the stirrups. Now I'm gonna show you the difference between the stirrups and the Y style. Again, it's gonna be all about preference, but each of our shirt stays has a very specific function to make things easier for you while keeping your shirt tucked. So here we have our stirrup version. So what is the difference between the stirrup version and the Y-style shirt stays that I just demonstrated? Well, the difference is going to be that you still have the two clips that attach to your shirt. Again, I'm going to demonstrate to you exactly where they're placed. But instead of having a clip that attaches to your socks, they have a loop. Now this is going to loop around your foot. So when I was saying that it does not matter the socks that you wear, it's because these are going to loop around your foot and not clip to your socks. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how easy these are to put on as well. These are very popular within the law enforcement and military communities. So again, you want to take one of the clips, attach it towards the back of the shirt. You have the other clip, attach it towards the front of your shirt. Again, you want to go off the center seam of your shirt, and they're going to sit just like this. You want to do one side, then you want to do the other side. Find the center seam. Now, once they're like this, you have the two straps hanging on the side. You want to simply loop it around your foot. Done. So now the shirt stays are fully attached to your shirt, and at this point you're ready to put on your pants. Now it's very important, just like the Y style, you want to make sure that the tension is comfortable for you, because you don't want it to restrict your movement. What you want it to do is provide a nice tension. As you can see here, as I start raising my arms, you see the shirt stays pulling down on the shirt. And that is exactly what we're looking for. We want that even distribution so you can move freely, but keep your shirt tucked. After my stirrups are fully attached to my shirt and looped around my foot, now I'm able to put on my pants, adjust my belt, and the shirt stays should feel comfortable. It should be keeping your shirt nicely tucked, and you should be able to move around, twist, turn, raise your hands, raise your arms, and your shirt remains nicely tucked. This is what you're gonna feel throughout the day. It's gonna keep your shirt tucked, looking professional, making sure that you're nice and confident to get the job done. So these are gonna be the Shirt Stay Plus stirrups. Again, one of our best sellers. Give them a try. Lastly, our tucker belt. This is gonna be perfect for anyone that doesn't want any shirt stays straps going down your legs. Now, the tucker belt is made out of an elastic with silicone on both sides. The silicone is going to help with the grip. The G-hook is going to attach to the last button of your shirt, and I'm going to demonstrate that. And plus, it has an adjuster, so you're able to adjust it depending on your waist size. So, find the last button on your shirt. and attach the G-hook to it. Now, wrap it around your waist as such. Bring it around. And now you want to take the other end and attach it right back to the G-hook. And it's going to be nicely secure. You want to adjust your shirt. So you want to adjust it on all ends, pull it down. And put your pants on as normal. Now, as you can see, the tucker belt is going to sit right under your waistline. Go ahead and button your pants. Adjust your regular pants belt. You want it to be snug, but not uncomfortable. I can feel the tucker belt, but I can't see it. Once you do that, go ahead and finish adjusting your belt. Now, I'm able to raise my arms just like with the shirt stays, and my shirt remains in place. Now, these are very popular within the business community, detectives. It's a great option for you if you don't want any shirt stays going down your legs. So I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful to get a sneak peek into our process here at our warehouse, demonstration of some of our more popular products. And of course, if you want more content like this, like, subscribe. We're going to keep releasing videos to bring more value to you. And again, if you want to support a small family-owned business based in North Carolina, we are here to help and to serve you. So we want to help you keep your shirt tucked and give you one less thing to worry about. Until next time, my name is Edwin. I'm the founder of Shirt Stay Plus, and thank you for watching.